Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. At 12:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lawrenceville to Bordentown to near Lumberton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and houses is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Mount Laurel, Allentown, Ewing, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Jamesburg, Hightown, Bordentown, Cranberry, Yardley, Town, Allentown, Roosevelt, Wrightstown, and Florence Woburn. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 9. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 357 and 359. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 23. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 38 and 76. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties: